Tomorrow morning, when your son leaves for office and your daughter-in-law is busy in the kitchen, you go to your son's room and hide some money behind his clothes.
Should I hide the money? But why?
That will lead to a lot of things. You won't understand right now. Do this much, then call me. I will tell you the next step.
Michael brought me to such a nice place. You shouldn't have brought your mother along too. She must be sitting at home alone, fuming at me.
What would Mother do here? Which girl is wearing what kind of dress? She'd just keep judging. And as for taking out her anger on you, Monica, trust me, Mother wasn't like that at all. I don't know what's gotten into her these days. Why is she treating you like this?
I don't understand anything either. Whenever one of her friends comes over, she starts all of a sudden. She keeps telling me all sorts of things about some stupid topic or another.
I was thinking you should go to your parents' house for a few days. Maybe if you two live apart, Mother will get better.
I'm starting to miss my parents too. I'll be ready tomorrow. You drop me off at home the day after tomorrow when you leave for work.
Yes, okay.
That night, after Monica returned from her outing, her mother-in-law didn't say anything to hurt her, and Monica cooked dinner for her, then massaged her feet and finished her kitchen chores and went to sleep. She was secretly overjoyed, thinking she was about to go home.
No, my daughter-in-law is wonderful. She doesn't even answer me back. Not only my daughter-in-law, even my son doesn't say anything to me. She brings me food on time, massages my feet, and doesn't even have to ask me to get my medicines. In the early days, it was a little difficult for my daughter-in-law to adjust. Then gradually, when she saw my true nature, she understood clearly that if she wanted to live in this house, she shouldn't mess with her mother-in-law. You're absolutely right. I also feel like this is the time when you can control your daughter-in-law and keep her in your control. Control to her as much as you can. Control to her to your heart's content. Only then will she be afraid of you. I've also decided that I won't sit quiet until my daughter-in-law dances to my tune. Okay, then you two talk. I have an important job to do. I'm leaving.
Teresa hurried home from the temple so she could implement Sandra's plan after her son left for office.
Son, you've ready for work. Here, take the prasad.
Yes, Mom. I've already eaten breakfast. I'll leave now. Mom, your medicines must be about to run out. I'll bring them back this evening.
God bless you, son. I'm lucky, get a son and daughter-in-law like you. I was the one who could not understand, and I kept telling her so many things. Now everything will be fine.
Thank God, Mom, you understood. Otherwise, I would have faced the biggest problem. Neither you nor her. I could have spoken against you. The atmosphere at home was deteriorating. I'm leaving now, Mom. You tell Monica. She's probably busy in the kitchen.
Okay, son. I'll tell her. Don't worry.
As soon as Michael left, Teresa glanced for her daughter-in-law and saw her cleaning the kitchen. Taking advantage of this, she went into her daughter-in-law's room and hid the 100 Indian rupees among her son's clothes.
Mother, should I give you breakfast? It seems it has been a long time since you came from the temple. I was cleaning the kitchen.
Oh no, daughter-in-law, I have just come. Give me the breakfast and you go and rest in your room. I will cook today's dinner.
You will cook the food? Why, Mother? No, I cannot let you work in the kitchen. I will not like it at all. You have breakfast and rest. I will cook and wake you up. Then we both will have lunch together.
Okay, daughter-in-law. May God keep you happy.
Today was a perfect day for Monica. After finishing all the work, she also packed her clothes to go to her parents' house. And when Michael got home from work that evening,
It was right here. Now I don't know why I can't find it. Who took my money?
Mom, here's your medicine. And what are you looking for so anxiously? What can't you find?
Son, there are only 3 people in the house. Where did my 100 Indian rupees disappear? I can't understand.
It must be somewhere here.
But I've checked every single place. The money isn't there.
You only have one cupboard. Look in there thoroughly. Who would steal money from home?
I can't do it now. I've been searching for it for the last 2 hours. Here, you look for it yourself.
Mom, I'll change and find it.
when Michael went to his room to change and opened the cupboard, he found the 100 Indian rupees wrapped among his clothes.
100 Indian rupees. That's Mom's money.
Michael, you're home so early today. I haven't finished packing yet. I still have some things left. Let me get you some tea. Then I'll come back and do the rest.
And put this money in your bag, so no one here finds out.
Money? Why are you giving me money?
Now, if you get caught, you'll pretend. You stole Mother's money, right? You brought it so you can go to your parents' house and give it to them. Monica, what was I doing wrong to you that you didn't think twice before stealing Mother's money? If you had asked me, I would have given you all the money you wanted. But why Mother's money?
What? I steal your mother's money. You're saying that? I really don't know how this money got here.
What happened? Why are you both shouting so loudly? This is my money. Where did you get it, son?
Mom, you're right. Daughters-in-law never become your own. I thought Monica was different. She loved me very much. She would never betray us. But Monica turned out to be a very cunning person.
Michael, I'm telling the truth. I don't know anything about this.
Son, let it go.
No, Mom, no. I can never forget this. You were always right. I encouraged her. We're seeing the consequences of giving her too much freedom. She started stealing.
Michael, that's enough. What are you saying? I'm a thief. I'll steal money from your house and give it to my parents.
Yes, it seems that was your plan.
I've told you many times not to accuse me of stealing. I can't bear it. Mother has also said it many times before. If I'm that bad, then you should stay alone. I'll go to my parents' house right now. Your mother wants us to separate. She'll be very happy now. Why, Mother? Now, live peacefully in your home. I'm never coming back here.